Yo, starting off the day with Earn by Time. Current rate is $17 an hour, and his first order is going to be a Starbucks going about 5 miles.
Here's that for you.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
You too. It says, do not knock or ring doorbell. Need ranch. Okay, first of all, how about a please anywhere in that? Second of all, no, you're not getting any ranch for your Starbucks drink. Nice. No tip. Who would have thunk it? Total for that was $4 and change. Well, I guess we're not making any money today. It's been like 15 minutes since that last order, and I haven't received a single order to my phone. Can't believe we're actually gonna have to take this order. This one is awful, and I'm almost positive there's gonna be no tip on it too. We've got a McDonald's going 8 miles. Pickup and drop off are like within a mile of each other, so it's literally just driving like 8 miles to the restaurant for no reason. Oh, my mistake. It was actually only 7 miles. Only 7 miles to the McDonald's. The drop off is actually about a mile away. It just looked like they were right next to each other because the map had to zoom out so much to include the whole trip. Yes.
All right, have a good day.
You too.
Thank you.
I am honestly shocked that was not just sitting there waiting for me. Oh, and I need a pin. Even better.
It's open.
Hello. Was it for Samantha? I need a PIN number from you. And that's a no tip. Did I call it or did I call it? Total for that was $5. Yeah, we're looking at about $9 an hour. Oh my goodness. Also, I've been getting so many more pins from DoorDash. Are they finally starting to crack down on people lying about not getting orders? Next up, we've got a stack going to 2 different people, 2 different restaurants. This one is not much better than the previous ones, but it's something. We've got Black Rock Coffee and McDonald's, $8 going 5.5 miles. Thank you.
No problem.
It's not open, the lobby.
It's not open?
It's closed. It's only pasta triton, please. Thank you.
I guess the lobby's closed for another 3 hours for some reason.
There you go. Thank you.
Finally got the next order. This is a Muchas Gracias going 3.5 miles. Thank you. Have a good day. It says, see signs for unit, blah, blah, blah. Top floor. That's amazing. I love going to the top floor. No tip. Wow. I guess we're doing charity work on this sunny Sunday. Total for that was $3 and change. We are literally losing money. Well, time is ticking and we are steadily creeping into the second hour, and we're about to be 1 hour behind pace. Okay, we finally got an order. This is a shop and deliver for Safeway. Why am I getting all the red lights today? Shop and deliver for Safeway, $12 going 4 miles, 2 items. Get your ID with you. This is Victoria's Cafe going 6 miles.
Good to go. You have one for one.
Thank you, you too. Well, there you go. Question of the day for y'all. Would you rather explore outer space or the deep sea? Oh, what the? There was a huge tip on that one. Thank you. Total for that one was $11 and change. Definitely needed that today. Okay, we're not getting orders. We are going home. You guys can have a bunch of kitty clips. Current time is 8:30. Current total, we are at 35, and we're just waiting on the Uber tip for the shopping order. Should bring it up to at least 40, which means we are pretty much down an hour again. But anyways, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.